Imagine this. You walk past a fancy restaurant with glowing chandeliers and white tablecloths. You glance at the menu and your stomach drops. One meal costs more than your entire weekly grocery bill. But here's the secret. What if I told you that you can enjoy fine dining, the kind that makes you feel like royalty, even when you are on a budget? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes I am going to show you exactly how. Number 1. Rethink what fine dining really means. Most people believe fine dining is only about Michelin stars and gold-plated plates. But the truth is, fine dining is an experience. It is about the atmosphere, the service, and the presentation. That means you do not always need the most expensive restaurant in town to feel luxurious. For example, a small family-owned French bistro may give you the same feeling at half the cost of a five-star hotel restaurant. By redefining fine dining in your mind, you open the door to more affordable options. Number 2. Timing is everything. Restaurants make most of their money during peak dinner hours. That is why menus at 7 p.m. look different from menus at 3 p.m. Many fine dining spots offer lunch menus or early bird specials that are nearly identical to dinner menus but cost much less. For instance, a steak that costs $50 at dinner might only cost $25 during lunch. You still get the chef, the flavors, the service, but at half the price. The experience is the same, but your wallet feels lighter in a good way. Number 3. Learn the art of ordering smart. The secret is not to order everything. Many people walk into a fine dining restaurant and feel pressured to order appetizers, entrees, sides, desserts, and drinks. That is where the bill skyrockets. Instead, focus on the star dish. Order one signature entree and share sides or desserts with your partner or friends. For example, if the restaurant is famous for its lobster pasta, get that. And skip the extras. This way, you experience the highlight of the restaurant without overspending. Number 4. Drinks can make or break you. Did you know restaurants often make more money from drinks than food? A glass of wine that costs you $15 at the table might be the same bottle you can buy for $20 at the store. One trick is to order water or skip cocktails and save your celebration drink for home. Or, if you really want to sip something, ask for the house wine. It is usually cheaper and often chosen to pair perfectly with the menu. By controlling the drink bill, you cut your cost in half while still enjoying the meal. Number 5. Follow the chef, not the restaurant. Chefs move around, and many of them have side projects like pop-up dinners, chef's tables, or collaborations. These often deliver the same fine dining quality, but at a fraction of the price. For example, a Michelin-starred chef might host a special tasting menu for $40 per person at a small event, while their main restaurant charges $200. Following your favorite chefs on social media can lead you to these hidden gems. Number 6. Explore prix-fixe menus. A prix-fixe menu is a set menu that includes several courses for one price. It might look expensive up front, like $70 for 3 courses, but when you compare it to ordering a la carte, it is often cheaper. For example, if a starter is $20, the entree $40, and dessert $15, you are paying $75 anyway. With prix-fixe, you save money and enjoy a well-rounded fine dining experience. Number 7. Use dining apps and memberships. Technology has made luxury accessible. Apps like OpenTable or Reci often share promotions, while membership programs like Dining Advantage or credit card perks can get you discounts or free extras like desserts and wine. Some cards even offer buy one get one free deals at upscale restaurants. A friend of mine once used a credit card perk to eat at a steakhouse in New York City, where their bill came out 40% lower than what everyone else was paying. Number 8. Celebrate smartly. Fine dining is about making moments feel special. Instead of going once a week, save it for milestones, birthdays, anniversaries, or even small wins like a promotion or paying off debt. Restaurants often treat you extra special when they know you are celebrating. Free champagne, complimentary desserts, and personalized service are common. By choosing your moments wisely, you make each fine dining experience unforgettable without draining your bank account. Number 9. Hack the menu. You might not know this, but many fine dining spots allow substitutions or half portions, if you ask politely. Half portions mean you get the same experience for half the price. Also, some restaurants let you order from the bar menu even when seated in the main dining area. Bar menus usually have the same quality food but at lower prices. For example, the burger on the bar menu might be $18 compared to $35 for the steak, and you still enjoy the restaurant vibe. Number 10. Learn to dine like a local traveler. When you travel, especially abroad, fine dining can be shockingly affordable compared to USA cities. For example, in Thailand, you can enjoy a five-star hotel buffet for less than $30. In Italy, a gourmet three-course meal may cost $25. If you plan your vacations with food in mind, you can experience fine dining at a global scale without spending your entire savings. Number 11. Make fine dining at home. This may surprise you, but many people create fine dining at home for a fraction of the cost. It is not just about the food, but the setup. Light candles, set the table, play soft jazz, and dress up. Cooking a steak at home with sides and dessert might cost you $40 for two, compared to $150 at a restaurant. And guess what? Many famous chefs share recipes online, so you can replicate their dishes step by step. Number 12. Value the experience, not the bill. The true luxury is not about how much you spend, but about how you feel. Fine dining is about savoring the moment, slowing down, and connecting. A $20 meal enjoyed with the right ambience, company, and attention can feel as luxurious as a $200 one. A study from Cornell University even found that people enjoyed food more when the presentation and environment were elevated, regardless of the actual cost. This shows that luxury is often psychological. Number 13. Take advantage of Restaurant Week. Many cities across the USA host Restaurant Week events, where fine dining restaurants offer special fixed-price menus. For example, you could get a three-course meal for $35 at a place that normally charges over $100. These events are designed to attract new customers, but they are a goldmine for those who want luxury without the heavy bill. Number 14. Join loyalty programs. Fine dining spots often reward repeat customers. Sign up for their newsletters or loyalty programs. You might get early access to reservations, free tasting events, or birthday discounts. Over time, these perks add up. A friend of mine joined a sushi restaurant's loyalty program and ended up getting free dessert almost every visit. Number 15. Share the experience. Fine dining feels richer when it is shared. Splitting dishes with a group of friends not only makes the experience more affordable, but also more fun. Instead of each person ordering a full meal, order a variety of dishes and share. This way, you taste more without overspending. Number 16. Explore tasting menus. Some restaurants offer smaller tasting menus where you get multiple small plates instead of one large entree. These menus often let you try 5 or 6 chef-curated dishes for less than the cost of ordering them separately. It is a way to taste the luxury experience without overpaying for oversized portions you may not finish. Number 17. Go for brunch. Brunch at upscale restaurants is often far cheaper than dinner, yet still gives you the luxurious feel of fine dining. Think champagne mimosas, beautifully plated eggs Benedict, or truffle hash browns at a fraction of dinner prices. Many restaurants design brunch menus to attract younger diners, so the value is unbeatable. Number 18. Sit at the chef's counter. Some fine dining restaurants have a chef's counter or open kitchen seating where you can watch the food being prepared. The menu is often a special set or smaller than the main dining room, but the experience is unique and usually more affordable. You get entertainment with your meal, making the value stretch beyond the plate. Number 19. Use gift cards strategically. Many credit card programs, warehouse clubs, or even online platforms sell restaurant gift cards at discounted rates. For example, you could buy a $100 gift card for $80. That instantly gives you a 20% discount on your fine dining experience before you even sit down. Number 20. Dine during soft openings. When new restaurants launch, they often host soft openings to test their service and menu. Prices are usually discounted, and chefs go out of their way to impress. You can be among the first to enjoy a fine dining spot at a fraction of the regular price once they officially open. Number 21. Choose restaurants with BYOB options. Some upscale places allow you to bring your own bottle of wine. Instead of paying $50 for a bottle on the menu, you can bring a quality wine you bought for $15 at the store. Even with a small corkage fee, you end up saving a significant amount while still enjoying the luxury of pairing wine with your meal. Number 22. Target happy hours. Happy hours are not just for pubs. Many fine dining restaurants now offer happy hour menus with gourmet small plates and discounted drinks. You could sample lobster sliders, truffle fries, or oysters for a fraction of the normal dinner price, all while enjoying the same elegant setting. Number 23. Volunteer for food events. Upscale restaurants often participate in food festivals, charity events, or fundraisers. By volunteering at these events, you can often enjoy gourmet meals at little to no cost. It is a creative way to connect with chefs, try fine food, and immerse yourself in the culture of dining without overspending. Number 24. Explore culinary schools. Many culinary schools have student-run restaurants where future chefs practice their skills under professional supervision. The food is high quality, beautifully presented, and much cheaper than traditional fine dining. It is like getting a Michelin-style meal at a student discount. Number 25. Find hotel dining deals. Luxury hotels often have high-end restaurants, and to attract guests during slower seasons, they provide bundled deals like dine and stay or weekday dining specials. Even if you are not staying at the hotel, you can take advantage of these offers to get fine dining experiences at a reduced cost. The next time you walk past that restaurant with the white tablecloths and fancy lights, I want you to remember something. Fine dining is not reserved only for the rich. It is about strategy, timing, and creativity. When you understand the hacks, you can have your luxury experience without breaking your budget. So let me ask you this. If you had the chance to fine dine this weekend for half the cost, who would you take with you and why?